I'm so excited to try this.
They're really good.
It's like Christmas morning.
This is the peanut butter chocolate, my two favorite flavors.
Okay, back, I just put the whole thing in my mouth.
I'm gonna try the chocolate cherry almond.
These are awesome.
Can I try it? Yep. Can I try yours?
It reminds me of those chewy kid bars. It tastes amazing.
Chocolate cherry almond. It tastes like chocolate cherry almond.
Kind of like a candy bar with a crisp.
It's not overly sweet, thick enough to be filling.
Oh yeah.
That's really good. It is really good.
Peanut butter chocolate. I have 3 kids. They would love this. They would think it's a candy bar.
I like that slate as well.
I eat this breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's freaking awesome, man.
I would specifically put it in my kids' lunches every day for school.
Take it with me on the go.
I love it. 100%.
It's amazing.